Hi, this is Morgan. Today I'm introducing this gas wok stove with 2 burners and 2 warmers. With the simple design and powerful performance, making it perfect for restaurant and central kitchens, handling high-demand cooking easily. This wok stove features an environmental premix burner, ensuring efficient combustion and minimal energy waste, ideal for high-temperature cooking in Asian kitchen. The one-press control design makes operation easy and quick, ideal for busy kitchen environments. Whether it's for adjusted heat or turning on the tap, everything can be done in a few simple steps. Safety is key, so this stove comes with an electromagnetic value flame failure device, which automatically cuts off the gas if the flame goes out, preventing accident. With these 2 burners and 2 warmers, this wok stove allows you to cook with multiple woks at the same time. Its powerful heat output is perfect for rapid heating and high-temperature cooking, ideal for Chinese cuisine. The height of this stove is perfect for Chinese kitchen, allowing chefs to work comfortably. Made with 304 stainless steel, it's highly durable and designed to withstand intensive cooking section. We are offering a special discount right now. If you're interested in this product, feel free to contact us and our team is ready to assist you. And that's all today. See you next time.